Naming your stock items in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this AAAPOS RetailManager training tutorial. In this video, we'll cover how to name your stock items effectively using RetailManager, and why a consistent naming convention is essential for managing your inventory smoothly. When using RetailManager, it's important to decide on your naming conventions before you start entering stock. Being consistent in naming helps in many ways. It improves the accuracy of reports. It speeds up receiving goods into stock. It reduces duplication of items in your inventory. And most importantly, it makes it easier to search for and identify items. Each stock item in RetailManager can be identified using several fields. Number field, up to 15 characters. Description field, up to 40 characters. Department field, 10 characters. Category field, 6 characters. Long description field, 255 characters. Custom 1 and 2 fields, 50 characters. All of these fields support alphanumeric characters. When staff search for items, they typically use the first few letters of the description field. That's why it's important to structure your item names logically and consistently. RetailManager also includes a partial text search option. This lets you search using a word, letter, or number across fields like barcode, description, long description, and custom fields. You don't need to repeat department or category names in the description field. These fields are already searchable and used for filtering and reporting, so duplicating that information in the item description is unnecessary. Let's look at a real-world example. A hardware store might use codes like FH for flat head, JH for jolt head, followed by the size of the nail. So, a galvanized flathead 75mm nail might be named FH75. If everyone uses the same convention, staff can find items quickly and confidently. Here's a quick summary of best practices. Decide on your naming conventions early. Be consistent in how you use the description, number, department, and category fields. Avoid repeating department or category names in item descriptions. Use the beginning of the description wisely, since it affects search results. Train your staff on the naming rules you've set. A well-structured naming system in RetailManager saves time, reduces errors, and improves reporting. For more tips on maintaining stock items, check out the Maintaining Stock Items section in your RetailManager guide. Thanks for watching, and happy stock managing!